Hi everyone, welcome to artdraw. Today you're going to need a piece of paper and some pens. We're going to be drawing the Mandalorian from Star Wars. Okay, so first of all we're going to start with his visor. Let's draw a bit of an arc in the middle of the page. And then we're going to draw two lines. A further arc, so we'll do this on the right hand side first of all. Then we'll do the same again but in reverse on the other side. Put two little areas in here, join it up with a further arc, and then make a little bevel going on. Join it up. Nice pair of underpants we've drawn. Next we're going to draw a bit of an arc for the dome on the top of his head. Bit of a semicircle. Some detail in the middle there for the Mando's helmet. Yep, it's all taking shape now. Two lines, one either side of the helmet. Join that up. Okay, let's add some shading going on here. We can fill those in later. I'll just show a bit of the bounce of the light hitting his helmet. Next up, just going to draw his cape. So top of his cape flowing around below the helmet. Do some little wavy lines going in there, and then some further little waves going on. Give it a sense of movement. Then we're going to do a bit of the armour. Nice strong Beskar armour there. Let's do a shoulder pad. A little bit of detail extra going on there. And then let's draw the armour on the other side. So a bit like a square, missing the end, and a little bit of detail at the bottom there. Now let's do the belt. So we've got some nice bevels going on. These could be the bullets on his belt, I think, and some further ones here. Nice little oblongs. Let's join that up, finish the Beskar armour off, and then some curved lines which will create his belt. Now the Mando's got a further main belt around his waist, so we can just add a hint of that. Straight line and a line up. Let's tackle the legs. Do the middle, and he's got a couple of pockets going on, so two arcs. Draw a leg down, just a nice line, and another curved bit of a line, and a fairly straight line going up. Now let's try the boots. I'm going to do the feet going around here, join those up. Add a bit of detail here. Okay, let's do two lines for the arm here, and then a further widened area here to help with the Mando's wrist communicator. Then let's do a nice big hand. One finger here, draw around, two fingers, and then third finger there, curve it around, and let's do the other side. So two lines. Then we're going to add the next communicator, so a bit of a box. And then we're going to clench his hand. Okay, let's draw the rest of the cape. Start over on the right hand side, just draw a little bit on the edge here, looking good. Then we're going to draw the main part, give it a couple of waves, move around, fill that in, there we go. And then we're just going to join it up to the leg there, little wavy part, maybe just underneath as well. Let's add a little bit of pop to his armour and a little bit of pop to his hand, and then let's just put him on a little bit of rocky ground. Okay, let's just fill that visor in. So taking the black pen, just going to fill in these areas here, just to add a bit of balance to the picture. And that's our Mando lines done. Now we're going to go onto the colour. Let's do the helmet first. Get a grey colour for the metallic helmet. And I'm just going to add some lines around here. I want to make sure there's a way of showing the light around the Mando's helmet. So we're just going to sort of give that hint. Work out where I want to colour in. So let's colour in over this beveled area here. And where I've just done the outline, let's go along here. For the bottom part on the right hand side, I'm going to do the same thing. Add a couple of lines in, and then let's just fill in. Right, next do the left hand side. So I want the light coming in from the left hand top. So I'm going to do a little bit of grey here, and then just following down here, straight line down, let's fill it in here. There's the helmet. We can use this grey as well for the shoulder pad. Again, I'm going to show a little bit of light popping off it. And then the Beskar armour too. Let's fill that in. A little bit of shadow going on these sort of bullet areas. Let's fill a bit of the belt in. These pocket areas can be filled. And then the detail on the boots, there we are. Let's just fill the arm in here, and this arm on the other side too. Then this rocky terrain at the bottom, let's just put a few little strokes in there. Just going to tighten this area here. Okay, next up, let's get a bit of a darker area, maybe a blue, for the Mando's cape. Start filling this in, just go for it. Okay, so the picture's starting to take shape now. Let's fill the glove in. And on the other side as well. And then let's do the outer of the cape. Great. So that all links up. Don't forget to leave a like, everyone. Let's fill his trousers in. So again, just fill it in with this blue colour. Looking good. You know what? I've forgotten to put the Mando's gun in. So let's just fill that in. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's go for this red colour. Knew it was missing something. Okay, we can fill this bit in straight away. Want to show the light bouncing off it, so we can use this red to show that. I can use this other plate of armour on his shoulder. Just fill that in. Again, leaving a bit of a line to show the light bouncing off it. And then let's fill in these wrist areas. And then he's got a kind of band across these bullets, so let's fill those in. One here and one here. Okay, let's fill his boots in. Let's do the back of his cape, slightly darker blue colour. This just gives it a little sense of a shadow. Fill it right in. Now I think we're pretty much there. And that's the Mandalorian on artdraw. Thanks for watching, everyone.